Hi children, in this video you are going to learn Class 6 English Term 1 Unit 1 Poem and its evaluation part. Children, let's learn the poem The Crocodile by Lewis Carroll. Let me give the author introduction. Lewis Carroll was an English writer of children's fiction, notably Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. He was also a mathematician, photographer and inventor. Now, look at the glossary. Death, an expression of Old English for does. Improve, to become better than before. Cheerful, happy. Gently, softly, mildly. Grin, to give a broad smile. Now, children, look at the poem. Let me read it for you once. How did the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes a little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Children, can you read it again? Very good. This poem appears in the novel Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. This poem is made up of 2 stanzas. Each of these stanzas is again made up of 4 lines. Hence, the entire poem consists of just 8 lines. The speaker of this poem is Alice herself. Now, look at the first stanza. How did the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? In this stanza, the poet questions how the little crocodile uses water from its tears to improve the shining of its tail. The tail is already shining because of the water poured on its scales. The poet jokes that the crocodile secretes enough teardrops for them to seem like they equal all the water in the river Nile. Now look at the next stanza. How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. In this stanza, the crocodile seems to start grinning. What do you mean by grinning? Grinning means giving a broad smile, as if it were welcoming its fellow creatures of the sea. The crocodile also spreads his claws out on the sand as if to create space for the fish to move in. In fact, all these actions on the crocodile's part are designed to trick them and to trap them. When it opens its shining mouth, it in fact gobbles up. What do you mean by gobbles up? Gobbles up means to swallow or eat hungrily in large pieces. It in fact gobbles up all the fish that come swimming up towards its body. Children, what is the message conveyed in this poem? The poem also draws our attention to the various people in the world who outwardly seem friendly but wait for an opportunity to strike at innocent people who may be unaware of their real malicious intentions. Malicious intentions means harmful intentions. Children, what do you mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words are 2 or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Some examples of rhyming words are goat, boat, moat, float, coat. Now, let us identify the rhyming words of this poem. Look at this picture. Crocodile, Nile, tail, scale, grin, in, claws, jaws. These are the rhyming words of this poem. Let's learn about a rhyme scheme. It is the ordered pattern of the rhymes at the ends of the lines of a poem. So, AB, AB, CD, CD is the rhyme scheme of this poem. Children, do you know? The Madras Crocodile Bank is one of the largest reptile zoos in the world. It is a shelter for native wildlife and a secure nesting beach for olive ridley turtles. It is located at East Coast Road, Kovalam in Chennai. Children, look at the evaluation part. Choose the rhyming words from the box and write them in the correct blanks. Number 1. Class, jazz. Number 2. Grin, in. Number 3. Crocodile, Nile. Number 4. Tail, scale. Now check your answers. Number 1. Class, jazz, cars, pass. Number 2. Grin, in, din, thin. Number 3. Crocodile, Nile, file, while. Number 4. Tail, scale, nail, mail. Read these lines and answer the following questions given below. Number 1. How cheerful he seems to grin. Who does he refer to? The answer is he refers to the crocodile. Number 2. And pour the water of the Nile. What does the Nile refer to? Where is it? The answer is the Nile is the longest river in the world. It is in Africa. Number 3. And welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. A. Who welcomes the fish? Why? The answer is the crocodile welcomes the fish because he wants to eat them. B. Which line tells you that the crocodile is hungry? The answer is with gently smiling jaws. This line indicates that the crocodile is hungry. Answer the following. Number 1. What is the poem about? The poem is about a crocodile. Number 2. How does the crocodile's tail look? The crocodile's tail looks shining. It is covered with golden scales. Number 3. What does improve his tail mean? It means the crocodile makes his tail shining by splashing the water on it. Number 4. How does he spread his claws? He spreads his claws neatly. Number 5. Why does he welcome little fishes? He welcomes little fishes in order to eat them. Number 6. Which line talks about the crocodile's mouth and its shape? The last line, with gently smiling jaws. Children, you are going to learn the supplementary part of this unit in the next video. Thank you.